Shop, dine, and discover the Crossroads in Carmel.
Rio Grill has been the place to meet friends, enjoy food, wine, cocktails, and experience great dining on the Monterey Peninsula for over 30 years. With numerous Reader's Choice Awards, Rio Grill's menu highlights include creative regional California cuisine from the wood-burning grill and Chef Sai's daily creations. At Rio Grill, we will provide a memorable experience and take care of all the details of your next event.
The Crossroads, located at Highway 1 and Rio Road in Carmel.